Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your study abroad program with Abroad 101, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your study abroad program with Abroad 101, first, gather all the necessary information regarding your program. Locate your program details, including the name, location, and dates. Review the cancellation policy provided by your program. This information is usually found on the program's website or in the initial documentation you received. Make note of any deadlines or specific requirements for cancellation. Next, prepare a detailed cancellation request email. Begin by addressing the email to the program coordinator or the appropriate contact at Abroad 101. Clearly state your intention to cancel your study abroad program. Include your full name, contact details, and any relevant identification numbers associated with your program. Briefly explain the reason for your cancellation if you feel comfortable doing so. Be sure to request confirmation of your cancellation. After sending the email, keep an eye on your inbox for a response. In case you do not receive a reply within a few days, follow up with a polite reminder email. Once your cancellation is confirmed, check the details regarding any potential refunds. Consult the cancellation policy again to determine any financial implications. If applicable, begin the refund process as instructed. Keep all correspondence related to your cancellation for your records. Finally, inform any other parties affected by your study abroad decision. This may include your academic advisor or financial aid office. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your study abroad program with Abroad 101. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.